क्विज टाइम। ऐसी नॉलेज के लिए मेरे वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। हाउ many days are there in a week? Option A 8 days. Option B 7 days. Option B 7 days. How many hours do we have in a day? Option A 24 hours. Option B 20 hours. Option A 24 hours. Daytimes 12 hours, night time 12 hours. How many weeks are there in a year? Option A 50 weeks. Option B 52 weeks. Option B 52 weeks. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Option A 9 colors. Option B 7 colors. Option B 7 colors. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, like and share.